Good morning, students. Today we are going to see Chapter 8 Economy and Occupations. Our today's point is a comparative study of India and Brazil with reference to national per capita income and the major primary occupations in Brazil. Geographical explanation. In figure 8.1, we saw that India has a higher national income than Brazil. As we see towards the income of Brazil, we come to know that Brazil is very prospered in mining, agriculture, and manufacturing. As well as Brazil has a strong and rapidly growing service sector. On the other hand, India is still dependent on agriculture, though service sector is also increasing in India. Like the Indian economy, the Brazilian economy is also a mixed economy. There are three types of economies. 1. Capitalist economy or capitalism. 2. Socialist economy or socialism. And 3. Mixed economy. Both the Indian and the Brazilian economies are developing economies. What is meant by a developing economy? A developing economy is not something that can be easily defined, but it basically means an economy that is not as advanced as the rest of the world. Birth rates, death rates, life expectancy, education, and the country's level of industry are all factors. So are disease, malnutrition, or long-term fighting. These are the features of developing economy. Countries which have developing economies, their per capita incomes are very less as compared to the developed countries like USA. Therefore, India's and Brazil's per capita income is less compared to USA. It is very interesting to note that though India has a higher national income as compared to Brazil, but the per capita income of India is lower than Brazil because of the excessive population. As compared to Brazil, India's population is more than Brazil. Besides it, the total area of Brazil is nearly 85,15,770 square kilometer. On the other hand, the total area of India is only 32,87,263 square kilometer. The total population of Brazil is only 20 crores. On the other hand, the total population of India is nearly 130 crores. Thus, compared to India, Brazil has more land and less population. Therefore, per capita land availability is more in Brazil as compared to India. Use the following table and make a polyline graph with the help of computer. Students, you must do this graph by own with the help of computer. The United States is a developed country. The population of this country is well educated. This country has the strength of many patents. This country is progressed in each and every sector. There is a great scientific progress, technological progress. So this country is ahead in per capita income. India and Brazil are developing countries. These countries are progressing in the field of technological advancement, education, as well as industries. The national per capita income of the countries is low. India's per capita income looks to be even lower as India's size is very large. Think about it. Which type of occupations gives a boost to the development of a country's economy? I think secondary and tertiary kinds of occupations give a boost to the development of a country's economy. Next activity is make friends with maps. Look at the map given in figure 8.3. The major primary occupations in Brazil are shown here. Discuss the following points and write your observations in the notebook. Question number 1. In which part of Brazil is coffee mainly produced? Answer is coffee is mainly produced in the southeastern coastal region of Brazil. Question number 2. Which food crops are mainly grown in Brazil? Answer is rice and corn are the food crops mainly grown in Brazil. Question number 3. Can you relate the production of these crops with the climate there? Answer is the crops like rice, cocoa are produced on a large scale in the coastal region. The crops like rice, cocoa, etc. require hot and humid temperature and heavy rainfall. Thus, the coastal region of Brazil has hot and humid temperature and it receives heavy rainfall. The crops like coffee, soybean, oranges, etc. are produced on a large scale in Brazilian highlands. The crops like coffee, soybean, oranges, etc. required mild temperature and medium rainfall. Thus, Brazilian highlands has mild temperature and it receives moderate amount of rainfall. Question number 4. Where are the rubber plantations concentrated? Answer is rubber plantations are concentrated in Amazon River Basin. Next activity is complete the table. Types of crops, area of production. Answer is types of crops. First one, food crops. Crop, first one, rice, area, Brazilian highlands. Second crop, corn, area, central part of Brazil. Second type of crops, cash crops. First crop, coffee, area, southeastern coastal region. Second crop, cocoa, area, southeastern coastal region. Third crop, rubber, area, Amazon River Basin. Fourth crop, sugarcane, area, northeastern part of Brazil. Third types of crops, fruits and vegetables. First one, bananas. Second crop, pineapples. Third, oranges. Fourth, other citrus fruits. These all kinds of fruits and vegetables are found in Brazilian highlands and southeastern coastal region of Brazil. In this way, we have seen comparative study of India and Brazil with reference to per capita income. Thank you.